Hi, in this section we can see how to take the reference. So for that I will open the one word page. We can whatever just avoid the something here. So just I write the just sample. So then open Chrome. So here we can do we can open the PubMed. Select the first option, open. So whatever you want, you can whatever you want generals, what relevant your study, and you can type that general name here. Just I will type here. So here we can see the lot of generals there, but display only 10. If you click the show more, the another 10 is available displayed. If you click the more, another 10 generals display. So go to the first. So from here to we need to take the reference for our generals. So we have here the save or email or send to. If you want abstract or full text or full text. So clinical trials, review papers or anything last 1 year, last 5 years or last 10 years. So once you click, so you can see there is a send to option, right? Click the send to option, the citation manager. So so if you want to create file, it will be created like this. But so generally there is one option, but we don't see. So here we have to see send to. So we can select anyone we can take, or else we can see here the citations and say you can click the citation site. So click the site. So here we have some options, copy or downloaded or format. What format? Generally I took the APA. So select APA, and once you what format you want to select, either copy or downloaded, but I will select the downloaded option. So select downloaded, so it will download it. So see here we have to, that file comes to here, so show all. So once open this file. For that you need to install your EndNote. The EndNote is available free in some Google also. If you want link, see in description. So once it will come like this, you can select this one and you can see the inverted commas inside the citations. Then click this one. So it will become here. So see, this is how we can take the reference or citations. Either you want to change this one also number format or different another format. You can see the EndNote here. Click and here number, or there is a lot of option. See, so it will be show like this, but I will take only number. Where is number one? Yes, number. So this is how we can take citations for our generals. So if you like this video, if you want to know the more about the study, so please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and click the thumb or like button. Thank you for watching.